Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Niecy's Custom. I hope everyone is blessed. Today we are going to do 20-ounce skinny tumblers. But before we begin, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, as you can see that I have Silhouette Studios already up. We're going to look over here to say page setup. We're going to make sure everything is set up right. The machine is going to be none. The cutting mat is going to be none. Media size, you got it on custom, and you're going to have it on letter 8.5 by 11. And we're going to have it in portrait. Orientation is going to be not portrait, but landscape. Sorry about that. Okay. We're going to come over here to file, merge, and we're going to get our image, download, and we're going to get this image over here. We're going to hit OK. Once you got your image already into Silhouette Studios, we're going to put it in the proper size that it needs to be. You make sure you click the image, and you come over here to open transform panel. You're going to click scale. Okay, make sure your image is clicked, because you want to change these dimensions. You're going to move the width to 9.9, the height 8.3, and you're going to hit apply. Then you're going to move it down in the center of your paper. Okay, then you're going to come over here to file, print, hit preference, and I'm working with the Epson WF7720. So I already have my paper size already pre-set. So I'm going to hit medium paper. It's going to be in paper cassette 1, letter 8.5 by 11. And you make sure you look at this carefully now, because you have to change it to landscape. Okay, everything else stays the same. You're going to come over here to more options. Make sure that you have a check in mirror image, and high speed is going to stay the same. Okay, and also if you're working with Cosmos ink, you know to come over here and hit custom, advanced. Make sure you put you click the one that says ICM, because it works good on the Cosmos ink. You're going to hit OK. After you have done all that, you're going to hit main. Make sure everything is properly correct. Hit landscape. Then you're going to hit OK. Then you're going to hit print. Okay, once you hit print, it's going to print. And I'm going to show you something else that someone else asked me about. If you're making two 20-ounce skinny tumblers, can you put two images on a bigger size paper? Yes, you can. You just make sure that you go back to page setup, go down here and hit custom. Change is already changed, but you can go ahead and it already changed for me because I was using it before. And you want to put the width 19, the height 13. Make sure you put it in landscaping. You take that same image that you have right here. Don't change the dimension. Do not change the dimension. You're going to right click on it. You're going to hit duplicate, and you're going to move it to the side. Once you move it to the side, you see this green button right here, this green spot right here. You're going to hold your mouse down, hold it down, and you're going to turn it. It don't matter clockwise, counterclockwise, it don't matter. You're going to turn it, and you're going to move it to the side like that. And you can leave it like that. That's how you're going to get two of the same images on a 13 by 19 paper. Then when you go and when you want to print it, you just hit File, Print, Preference. Like I say, I already have my paper size preset, so I'm going to hit Large. My 13 by 19 paper, Super B, is in paper cassette 2. Make sure you change that orientation to landscape, because you don't want to print it in portrait. Okay. Go to more option. Make sure it's mirrored image. Go to main and go ahead and click OK and click print. So that's how you're going to get two of the same images on the 13 by 19 paper. So you can just use one 13 by 19 paper on two tumblers that you're going to make, and that is the skinny 20-ounce tumblers. Okay. Once that print, I'm gonna go ahead and set up my station so I can show you how to put it on the tumbler. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I have my 20-ounce skinny tumbler, pair of scissors, my heat tape, my image, and today we're going to do the masking tape method. What I'm doing, I'm just cutting my image. Cut my image out on my sublimation paper. And today I'm using a different type of sublimation paper. I ran out of the A-sub. I don't know how I did that, but trust and believe, I got some on order right now. And I can't remember the name of this sublimation paper I have right here, but we're going to try it out and see how it works. But it's something about the A-sub paper. It is real good. Okay, we're going to move this right here to the side. Okay, what I like to do, I like to put my, lay my image down and put my tumbler on top. Because I want to make sure that everything is covered properly. Okay, once that is covered properly, you want to pull your image tight and put the heat tape on it so it won't move. You want to put as tight as you can. And what I realized about this paper that I have is not the 8.5 by 11 size paper. Is the 8.3 by 11.7 paper. So it's kind of, the length is long, but the width is short. Yeah. So I'm gonna just work with it. Okay. Once I have it taped down, I'm gonna just pull a little bit off. And I always start from the top to get that tapered good. And I'm just pulling it tight together. Okay. And just fold it in like that. Then I'm going to do the other side as well. Make sure I go all the way around it tight. Like that. And I'm going to just fold it in. Just like that. Now I am going to go around it. Okay, I'm finished wrapping my tumbler. I'm going to go ahead and put it in my oven. And today I'm going to do another different temp. I'm going to do 400 at 6 minutes and 6 minutes. And halfway, I'm going to turn my tumbler. And I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to gently go across and cut that tape. Down. That don't never work for me. Never. Oh, I think I got something. Okay. And here goes our tumbler. I see some blemishes on it, especially right there. I don't like that paper. It didn't come out right. Right here. I missed my A-sub paper. This side right here looks good. But this right here is, this part right here, it didn't come out right. It's bothering me. But the front came out, you know, good, decent. Well, we have to try again. And when I try again, I make sure I have my A-sub sublimation paper instead of this cheap brand. You can tell it was a cheaper brand because it didn't even have that weight like that A-sub paper have. And also remember I was telling you about the paper was a different size. It wasn't 8.5. It wasn't an 8.5 by 11. It was another size, and see, it didn't even cover that right there. So I'm gonna just have to wait until I get my A-sub paper and do this tumbler back over again. Okay. Well, other than that, if you have any questions about the process, please leave them in the comment section. Okay? And remember, God loves you and I love you too. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if anybody want this template right here, just shoot me, just let me know that you want it in the comment section, and I'll send it to you. No problem. Okay, have a nice day. Peace.